Yeah. Hello, Mosh. How are you doing?
Not bad, and you?
I'm good, yeah.
Yes, yes.
So,
we are doing admission
yeah,
of students from Kasikeu,
yeah,
and we are targeting 1,000 students.
yeah, and we're almost there.
Yeah, we are almost hitting that target.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here we are at Kitengela.
Yes.
To be precise, Koroboi.
Yes, yes.
So, Mosh,
yes,
we really appreciate.
Thank you so much.
And we're doing good.
International
Conservatoire College.
Training College.
Yeah.
The future begins here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, like as you can see, let the friends see everything.
Yeah.
We have a huge lot around here.
Yeah, yeah.
From the students. Mosh, talk to your people. I see they are good. They are doing good.
Yeah, yeah. They are doing seriously.
Yeah.
We are admitting them, all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Imagine.